I came to Midwest Ortho to kind of help with all things foot and ankle. My focus is really hindfoot reconstruction and ankle reconstruction and helping people with debilitating arthritis. I also help with different broken bones and trauma of the foot and ankle, as well as cosmetic procedures like bunion correction and hammer toe deformity. I believe that foot and ankle is important in managing foot and ankle conditions because of the function that is necessary of the foot in order for people to enjoy their daily lives. I think I make Midwest Orthopedics better because of my caring personality and my attention to patient care, as well as the training that I've received. I feel that I'm able to provide good surgical care and good conservative care for patients, no matter what their condition may be. I think Midwest Ortho in itself is special because it offers comprehensive care for all specialties, and it's done a great job of conglomerating several specialists which are excelling in their fields, and they are constantly seeking to help more and more patients at Midwest Ortho. I think first and foremost, I see a caring nature amongst all the staff at Midwest Ortho and putting the patient first. Secondarily, we are well staffed and we're able to get you in early and be evaluated and help you get on the path to recovery more quickly than you might experience at a hospital or a different facility.